Uh, we're going to do a little demonstration of what you can animate using Piskel, piskelapp.com, which is one of the tools I'd like you guys to try out today. So here we have kind of a blank canvas, and we can use the pencil tool or other tools to draw on it. And over here we have a list of our frames, and each new frame is like a new picture of our animation. So let's try to create like maybe a face with a big smile. All right, so I'm going to start by making a circle. I'm going to choose black as my color. We can choose colors, click on the square over here. We can drag around, or choose colors that we've already chosen over here, but I'll choose black for now. I'm going to make a big circle. Now, if I hold down Shift while I make my circle, I can keep it as a very neat circle. And I want to put it right in the middle of the canvas. I can click on this over here wow, I did it perfect to begin with. All right, then I'm going to make it a color. I'll choose green, and I'll fill it in with that color. Great. Now it just needs a mouth, but first I'm going to duplicate my frame. So I have some copies of this, and I'm going to start it off with a really flat mouth. Oops, not like that. There we go. It's not smiling yet, but it's going to be. This area here shows us a little preview of our animation. So I'm going to make some more copies of the blank face here. Now, as I click here, I'd like to see where that mouth used to be. I'll try. And I'm just going to have it be smiling a little bit. Yep, see starting to smile. And I'm just going to keep on increasing the smile. Let's see. Like so. Yep, you can see the smile's getting bigger. And we'll just have it. And this is called an onion skin, this here, which I have turned on. And that shows me a little bit of what the last frame looked like, so I can make sure I make it bigger than it was before. See, I can check my last frame and make the smile even bigger. Look, woo! Maybe I went too far there. All right, and look, I made a little animation. If I wanted to add a background, I can add another layer. See, right now I have a second layer. If you want to add more, you can click plus. And let's say in layer 1, I want that to be a blue background. I can choose blue. I'm going to use the paint bucket to fill it up. All right, but I want that on all my layers. So I'm going to click this sheet that clones it to all the layers. Right, but the only problem is now that layer is on top of my face layer. So if I click this down arrow, I can move it down and have that layer be on the bottom instead of the top. See? And now we can see my animation with the face on top of the background layer, and the smile is increasing. Another cool thing you can do, if you want, is use, I deleted those frames, so let's duplicate this a few times. You can use this hand to move things around. So let's say I wanted this face to kind of bounce around a little bit. I could I can move it, and then each frame will create some animation where it's moving around. And you can do all kinds of stuff with this software, but that's just a few easy ideas. So play with it, have fun, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.